How to set up and use Mobile Hotspot on Android. This tutorial shows you how to share your mobile data with other devices. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Connections. After that, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. At this point, tap Mobile Hotspot at the top. From here, toggle it on to enable your hotspot straight away. Following this, tap on the hotspot name to customize your network details. Here you can change the network name, password, and security type to whatever you prefer. After that, tap Save to confirm your changes. From here, any device nearby can now find your hotspot in their Wi-Fi settings using the network name you set and connect using your password. At this point, if you want to see which devices are currently connected, tap Connected Devices from the same mobile hotspot page, and you'll see a live list of everything using your connection. Following this, if you want to limit how many devices can connect at once, tap Maximum Connections and set a number from there. Finally, keep in mind that using Mobile Hotspot drains your battery faster than normal and uses your mobile data, so keep an eye on both while it's active. That's how you set up and use Mobile Hotspot on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!